Hi, YouTube family and friends. How you doing today? Corky here. I have another unboxing video for you. Kind of went crazy these last couple of days. This is from the Scoville Unit LLC. Chris and Beth Fergali, the Scoville Unit. I love those guys. Very dear friends of mine. I'm opening the box as we speak. You can get many League of Fire challenges off of their website, ScovilleUnitLLC.com, and you can also get a lot of their Scoville Unit memorabilia, t-shirts, hats, things like that, sweatshirts. Yeah, so I, as usual, am struggling getting this box open. Typical Corky fashion, right? So here we go. Let's see what I purchased this time. I kind of have an idea. I know one thing that I got that I'm really looking forward to. And I will pull it out first if I remember what it... Yeah, this is what it looks like. I believe this is the one. Really looking forward to this because I am just a fanatic about this product. It's not a League of Fire challenge. It's just something that I put on my morning breakfast. Oh, for goodness sakes, Chris. You know how to pack, son. Oh, man. Chris is a beast when it comes to challenges. He certainly can hold his heat. I'll tell you what. He is just a joy to watch. You guys check him out at the ScovilleUnit.com on YouTube. I love this. This is, I believe it's, there's no label on it. It's Fire in the Hole Honey. It's supposed to be a fire hot honey. Little bee, little dipper stick. Yeah. Did I cut the label off? No, no label in there. But when you go on the website, the Scoville Unit LLC, it'll say Fire in the Hole Honey. So there you go. Got some honey. Let's see what this is. Obviously, it's sauce. Oh my gosh. Chris, you know how to pack. I love you. Yep. Oh my gosh. It's adult proof. It's Corky proof. Yes, sirree. Let's see. Is that enough? No, of course not. Oh, I know what this is. I remember. You guys are awesome for hanging in there with me, trying to get this bad boy open. This is a Today's Adventure hot sauce. There we go. Today's Adventure hot sauce. And I heard that these are sold out already at the leagueoffire.com. So the Scoville Unit LLC still has them. So go over there right away so you can get them yourself. They're banana chips, hot banana chips. I got some firecracker nut mixture. It's a League of Fire challenge, of course. That's from Late for Work. But you get it off of the Scoville Unit LLC site. And last but not least, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is too. All right. This is the Jack the Ripper sauce. Chug challenge. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see what card I have here. Chase Sip Chomper Lazinski? I hope I didn't slaughter your last name. Lazinski? Chase Sip Chomper. I know him as Sip Chomper. So, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. There we go. So, for you to get League of Fire challenges, like I said, this is not a League of Fire challenge. The honey is not a League of Fire challenge. But the chug and the firecracker, they are League of Fire challenges. Oh, and so is the banana chip. So there you go, my little gift package, my unboxing video for the day. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you all. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share the video away. Hit the subscribe button so you can all get some more of my videos, and the notification bell so you know when a new video of mine comes out. I love you all. Have a great day. See ya.